So this is going to show you how to get to and use the home dashboard for an LG TV that has a classic connector. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hit the little home button. So now on the left hand side of the screen you're going to see a little house inside of a circle, and you're going to click that and it's going to bring you to the home dashboard. Live TV, you should see the HDMI inputs, and you're going to pick whatever one is plugged into the cable box. Then you can wrap yourself up like Brutus and watch TV.